the fourth day of the battle, the focus of the conflict shifted to the heavily populated section of Shola. The house-to-house fighting lasted for days. One of the bloodiest firefights occurred at the main intersection of the Vinoy Highway, not far from downtown Saigon. Here, the army succeeded in denying the communists the chance to use the women and children of the area as human shields. Once the civilians were evacuated, the army saturated the area with a lethal display of firepower. At the Golgotha ammo dump, the entire battalion of entrenched North Vietnamese regulars and VC proved no match for the 3rd Airborne Battle Group. They quickly circled the enemy and annihilated him.